your girl EuniyceMari here. I have another product review from Daukens Arome Co, and it is their deodorant paste, and this product has excited me beyond excitement, and so I wanted to come on, of course, and share it with you guys. Now, if you do not remember from the past, maybe about like a month or two or so ago, I did do a full review of the dusting powders, and I really did love their dusting powders. You guys know that the oatmeal, milk, and honey is one of my favorite scents, and I also picked up ButtNaked, which smells divine, and I have also the fresh and clean scent. So if you haven't seen my full review on the dusting powders and how I use them underneath my arm, I'll leave the link above and down below, so go check it out. Also, Daukens has had a whole revamp, so their packaging is a little bit different, and they also have different scents. So the scent that I'm going to talk about in this video, I believe, is no longer available, but there are other scents that you can pick from. If you want to know more about my underarm journey, as far as like me transitioning to only natural deodorants and natural products for my underarm, I will leave the playlist above and down below. Now, I never tried a deodorant paste before. I've always been curious on how they work. They did look like a little bit more work to me, but if the product works, then you know I'm all for it, regardless of if it's a little bit more work or whatnot. So this is the Aroma Co Fresh and Clean deodorant paste. It looks like this. All right, it smells really fresh, really fresh, really clean. This has the notes of lemon, lime, green apple, white cotton blossom, and musk. There is no baking soda in this, and it is odor fighting and moisture fighting as well. Ingredients in here is organic arrowroot powder, mango butter, coconut oil, beeswax, bentonite clay, magnesium, hydroxide, zinc oxide, zinc Ricinoleate, if I'm pronouncing that right, but it'll be here on the screen, and fragrance. This is a 2.5 ounce jar, and it does also come with a little scoopy scoop, which is good for you to take out of the jar, apply to your underarm, and to rub it in. Now, how you would apply this is that you would scoop it out of the jar, and you can apply it. I usually take either spatula to stick to arm, or either I'll take it off with my fingers, and you want to just rub it in. I really do like the mango butter as the foundation of this. Actually, it's like cocoa butter, shea butter, or coconut oil, but mango butter is something that I've never tried as a foundation with a deodorant, so I felt like that was really different, and I really do like that about it. We're gonna jump into the ingredient list of this deodorant paste and why it is so amazing, and then I'm gonna also at the end share with you guys why I feel like this is it for me. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna try any other deodorants, because I found my holy, okay, my super holy. All right, so the first one is organic arrowroot powder, which helps to absorb excessive moisture. I believe we talked about arrowroot powder before. It is a great alternative for like talc or even cornstarch. Mango butter is moisturizing, absorbs quickly, is not a heavy butter like that of shea butter. Also, we received comments from people who are allergic to shea butter and wanted to make sure that more people could benefit from this deodorant. And that's also great too, because they do take into consideration what the people say, and all this information is on their site, you guys, so you can also go down below, click it, and read upon this for yourself. Coconut oil is a moisturizing and kills fungi, yeast, and bacteria. I've talked about coconut oil as using that under the arm as deodorant before on my channel and how great it is. I love coconut oil. Bentonite clay absorbs toxins and extracts heavy metals from the skin. You guys already know bentonite clay. I did a full underarm mask. It is amazing. Magnesium hydroxide powder fights body odor. Now, I've heard of magnesium and how great it is for your underarms. Never have used it, so this is my first experience in using it, and y'all, love it. Zinc oxide has antibacterial properties that helps eliminate bacteria and heals the skin. Did you know that zinc oxide is the active ingredient that's contained in baby diaper rash cream? I didn't know that. Fun fact. Zinc Ricinoleate, I don't know if I'm saying that right, is derived from castor oil and traps and absorbs odor molecules so that you don't smell. It's a deodorizer, and then their fragrance that they use is also phthalate free, if I'm saying that correctly. So This deodorant has a lot of great key ingredients to keeping your underarms fresh and dry. We have talked so much on this channel about how baking soda has tore up a lot of people's underarms, including my own. And I had a last stick of the Schmidt's deodorant that I was trying to use up. I put it on one day and I'm like, okay, because I always say if baking soda is giving you irritation, you know, don't use it as often. So even with the Schmidt's deodorant, and I reviewed that here on my channel as well, leave a link above down below, I backed up. I was like, okay, I'll use it once and I won't use it again. So I used it once, and like the next day my underarm was dark, it was irritated. Like, that baking soda was a no. And I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to X out baking soda altogether in my underarm care. And you guys, I've been using this deodorant for some time now, and I can use it every day, no irritation. The fact that it has no baking soda in it is just amazing, and it's just very gentle on the skin. So I really like this deodorant paste. Actually, I can say out of all the deodorants that I've so far have tried, this one has taken the cake. The reason why this deodorant has like stepped forward among Crystal, among Schmidt's, among even my own DIY like essential oil blends is because it has a mixture of ingredients that just work for my body type. And I always say it's very important for you to find deodorants that just go with your body chemistry, and it's hard to find one, but when you do, you stick with it. It has a zinc oxide in it. It doesn't have any baking soda. It has a moisturizing factor like the mango butter. It has the coconut oil, which we all love, the bentonite clay, which I love to keep away any of the toxins or to take the toxins out of the body. And it just has a great formulation. And so Daukens got your girl. I ordered 2 more, and so yeah. And you guys, also, if you mix and match these bad boys, like if you get the powder and you get the deodorant paste, there is a little bit of a discount that you get with that as well. If you haven't, definitely go and give Daukens a try when it comes to their deodorant paste. Their deodorant paste and deodorant and dusting powder are amazing. But with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.